it's Keren from Health, Food and More, out and about in my back garden today, looking at this wonderful mullein plant. I've got two of them here that have grown full height and another couple that are rising just now. And I'm having to hold on to them because the wind here has actually knocked them over, and if I let them go they're going to be hitting the ground. So I'm in amongst them because I wanted to stand next to them. You can see how tall they've reached. So this one's probably coming up for 6 foot. It's a really beautiful plant, really interesting medicinally. We use the leaf and we use the flower medicinally. The flowers can be infused into an oil. So you would dry them and then steep them in an oil for 2 or 3 weeks. And then you can use that oil for treating earache. It's really, really specific for breaking up wax in the ears and helping with inflammation in the ear area. So waxy ears, earache in children, etc. can respond really well to the mullein flower in an oil form. With the leaves, they are very mucilaginous rich. So like another plant, coltsfoot that I've talked about, and plantain and marshmallow, we have a remedy here that's got a very good loosening effect on the chest. So dry cough, a cough that needs loosened off, that's really, really difficult to cope with, can respond really well to a mullein tincture or a mullein tea. There's also another indication for this plant, and it comes from a medical herbalist called Matthew Wood, who's an American herbalist, and he talks about using mullein for treating spinal problems as well. And he relates that to the fact that mullein is very much like a spine growing up with the leaves coming out. And I think probably where he gets that activity from is the fact that these mucilaginous remedies helps to relax tissue. So if you've got an irritation in the spine, then what's going to happen is the muscles are going to get really, really tight around that irritation. And if you use something that's quite softening and relaxing, will allow the muscles to relax and for the spine to manipulate itself back into place again. So that's one of the indications that he recommends mullein for. So think about it for your spine, think about it specifically for the lungs and the mucous membranes, and for those poor ears that need a little bit of support if they're sore. So great one to have, and one that I've allowed to grow in my garden. This is self-sown in the garden, and I let it stay here this year because I wanted to harvest some of the leaf for teas through the winter months.